Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan. Welcome you all in your maths class. Today I am here again with the last chapter of class 8th and the name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. So according to its name, Playing with Number, the chapter is very simple. Okay, it is not so much complicated. So let's see about the chapter. So first of all, according to the name, Playing with Numbers. So number, what is number? First we talk about that. So numbers, they are formed from the digits. Okay, so let's see about it. So we talk about any number. For example, 52. So 52, it is a 2-digit number. So 52, how it can be obtained? Okay, 52, 42 or any number we can choose. So here I have took the example of 42. So 42 we can write as 40 plus 2. Okay, now 40 again we can write in multiplication form, that is 10 into 4. So 10 into 4 again what we get? 40 and plus 2. So when we solve it again, 10 4s are 40 and 40 plus 2, 42. So it means this 42 we can write in this form also. So let's just imagine that this is the 2-digit number, 4 and 2. So let 4 is A, consider 4 as A and 2 as B. So this means this is A into B. Now how A and B get formed? So that A is multiplied by 10 plus B, that means 10A plus B. So this is the general form of 2-digit number, that is AB. So AB equal 10A plus B. So this is the general form for any 2-digit number. It can be applicable for any 2-digit number. For example 23. So 23, that means 2, 3. So here 10 multiplied by 2 plus 3. So 10 2s are 20 and 20 plus 3 we get 23. So in this way we get the numbers. So let's see that number in general form. So which we call number in general form? A number is said to be in a general form if it is expressed as the sum of the product of its digits with their respective place value, that we have seen by this example. So a numbers can be written in general form. Thus a 2-digit number AB will be written as AB equal 10A plus B. So this is applicable for any 2-digit number and this is known as its general form. Now the general form of numbers are helpful in solving puzzles or number games. So this general form is very helpful to solve any puzzles or to play the games. So this was all about the general form of the number. Now let's see its next topic, that is value of letters. Now how we can find the value of letters? Letters like A, B, C or any alphabet. Now how we can find the value of alphabet? So it is given by an example, like suppose we have 5 plus A equal 8. So here A is the alphabet whose value we have to find. Means in 5 what we add? So we get 8. मतलब आप 5 में क्या ऐड करेंगे कि आपको 8 मिले. So it's simple. In 5 we can add 3 because 5 plus 3 8. So it means what is the value of A? A equal 3. Okay. So in this way we can find the value of letters. So in our exercise you have the same question based on to find the values of letters. Okay. Then you also have the rules of divisibility. in the next exercise. So let's discuss about it. First we see the test of divisibility. So divisibility by 2. अब divisibility होता क्या है? Divisibility it means any number is divided by that particular number or not. For example 20. 20 is divisible by 2 or not. तो आपको देखना है कि 22 से divisible है या नहीं. So we can check it by the divisibility test. Now how we can check the divisibility by 2? So a number is divisible by 2 when its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. ठीक है. अगर किसी डिजिट का like 2 digit number है और 3 digit number है and its ones digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. अब ये 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 क्या है? Even number. It means if ones place number is even number, then the given number is divisible by 2. For example 20. So in 20 the last number is ones place number is 0 and 0 is even. So it is divisible by 2. Same way if we take 3 digit number like 458. Okay. So 458 we have to see its ones digit number, that is 8. So 8 is even and even numbers are divisible by 2. So in this way without division, बिना डिवाइड किए हम क्या चेक कर सकते हैं कि द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल और नॉट डिविजिबल. सो वी हैव टू सी ओनली द वंस डिजिट नंबर, इट शुड बी इवन. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज divisibility by 3. So 2 divisibility we can check by the ones digit. Now divisibility of different number having different test. Okay. Like a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. अब कोई number 3 से कब divisible होगा? When the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Let's see by an example. Like you have given here 6, 1, 7, 8, 5. This much long digit you have given. तो आपको इसको divide कर check नहीं करना है कि it is divisible or not. आपको कैसे चेक करना है? सिंपली यू कैन चेक इट बाय एडिंग ऑल द डिजिट्स. सो ऑन एडिशन 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 we get 27 and 27 is divisible by 3 because it comes in 3 table and it is divisible by 3. So after addition if you get such kind of number which is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3. So without division, only by this rule, by sum of the digit, we can find that the given number is divisible or not by 3. Then divisible by 6. If you want to see the divisibility test of 6, then you have to see a number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible by both 2 and 3. अब कोई नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से divisible होगा, then only it is divisible by 6. Okay. Then next one is divisibility by 9. Now a number is divisible by 9 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 9 is same as divisible by 3. इसमें भी क्या करना है आपको? Sum of all digits. Like here you have given this digit 2, 1, 5, 8, 4, 7. अब आपसे पूछा गया है कि this digit is divisible by 9 or not. तो आपको इसको divide करके नहीं देखना है. You have to check it by their addition. So we have to add all this digit. So after addition we get again 27 and 27 is divisible by 9. That means the given number is divisible by 9. And in place of 27 if any other number comes like 25 or other number which is not comes in 3 table or 9 table, then it is not divisible by 9 because if the total is not comes in that table then it is not divisible by the given number 9. Okay, so you have to check it by sum of all digits. Now let's see the questions related with the exercise. So in first exercise you have to see the sum based on finding the values of letters. Okay, means different alphabets values we have to find. So we have first question, find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Like you have given here 3a plus 2 5, it gives b 2. So here what you are observing, here two letters a and b whose values we have to be find. Okay, so always एडिशन हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, ऑलवेज फ्रॉम वंस कॉलम, फ्रॉम द लास्ट. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू डू द सेम प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व द वंस कॉलम. सो इन वंस कॉलम फर्स्ट वी ऐड a plus 5, सो इट गिव्स 2. बट इज इट पॉसिबल, अगर आप 5 में 0 भी ऐड करते हैं तो आपको 2 मिलेगा? नो, यू विल नॉट गेट 2 बिकॉज 2 इज स्मॉलर देन 5. दैट्स वाई we have to add in 5 such type of numbers, so you get the 2-digit number that is 12. So in 5 we have to add such a number, so you get 12. Okay, so in 5 we add 7 because 5 plus 7 we get 12. So we get in addition we get 12, 2 is this place and 1 is carrying. Now we get the value of a is 7 because 7 plus 5 it is 12. So 2 comes here and carry forward in tens column. So carry is 1, so 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 it is 6. That means the value of b is 6. So from here it is clear that the value of a is 7 and value of b is 6. Hence the puzzle is solved. Okay, so it's very simple. In this way we have to find the values of letter. Now see it second. In second again you have 4a plus 9 8. So it gives c, b and 3. Now it has how many letters? 3 letters. Okay, it has 3 letters whose values you have to find. Okay, so first we start from always ones column. So in ones column we have to add a plus 8, it gives 3. means 8 में आप क्या ऐड करेंगे कि आपको 3 मिले? Again it is not possible because 3 is smaller than 8. It means we have to take 2-digit number and 2-digit number it is 13 whose last digit is 3. means आपको ऐड 8 में क्या ऐड करना है कि आपको 13 मिले. Okay, so a plus 8 gives 13. It means we have to add 5 because 5 plus 8 it is 13. So what is the value of a? A is 5. So 5 plus 8 it gets 13. So 3 we write here and carry 1. Now in tens column we have to add carry also. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, we have to add all 3. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 we get 14. Okay, now 14 we have. So here we have to write 14. It means 4 comes here and 1 comes here. So we get the value of B as well as we get the value of C. So here A is 5, B is 4 and C is 1. So in this way our puzzle get solved. So 5 plus 8 13 carrying 1 and after adding all 3 we get 1 4. So B and C value are 4 and 1 and A value is 5 and this is our required answer. Okay, so this is about addition. Now we have to see the sums related with multiplication. Okay, now for this let's see next one. Now here you have given 1a into a, which is equal 9a. Means you have to find again the value of alphabet. Here alphabet is a. A value we have to find. अब a किस तरह से दिया है? A is given in such a way, when a is multiplied by a, then again you get a. Means a किस टाइप का नंबर होगा कि आप उसका मल्टीप्लाई उसी से कर रहे हैं, then you get the same number. ठीक है? So it is possible in 2-3 case, like in the case of 1, 5 or 6. Why 1, 5 or 6? Because 1 into 1, what we get? 1. Okay. Why in case of 5? Because 5 into 5, we get 5 5s are 25. So 25, 5 comes here and 2 comes in carry. Okay. And in case of 6, why 6? Because 6 into 6, 36. 6 6 are 36. So last digit is 6. That means all 3 place 6 and carry is 3. So we have to check all 3 case one by one. So first we check it by 1. If we select that, if we suppose that a is 1, in that case here 1 is given. So here 1 and here again 1, because we are suppose that a is 1. So 1, here 1, that means 11 into 1. So 11 into 1 we know it comes 11, but here you have given it is 9. So that a equal 1 is possible? No, it is not possible, because we are getting as 11 into 1, it is 11. Here the tens digit is already given as 9. That's why a equal 1 is not possible. Now second case. In second case, if we choose a equal 5, अब हम ले रहे हैं a को 5. Now in that case, we have 15 into 5, because बेटा tens digit पर आपको 1 already mention है और a आप choose कर रहे हैं 5. So it is 15 into 5. It comes 75. But again it is not possible. Why not possible? Because here you have given 9. And when 15 multiplied by 5, we are getting 75. Means यहाँ हमको 7 मिल रहा है. It means again a equal 5 is not possible. Now we take third case. In third case, we choose a equal 6, because 6 6 are 36. So here comes 16 into 6, which is equal 96. So here we are getting our number 9 also. Okay. It means a should be 6. So on solving, we are getting here 1. Then in place of a, we are writing 6. So 6 into 6, 36. So here comes 6, carry 3. Then 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. So it comes 96. Hence our puzzle get solved. So in this way, you have all the questions related with additions and multiplication. So in multiplication, we have different case like this. So you have to check it and solve it. Then addition is same here. Okay, now let's see one more of multiplication. Here you have given AB into 3, so you get CAB. अब बेटा आपको 3 letters value you have to find here, A, B and C. Now first the multiplication of 3 with B, then again you are getting B. अब आप 3 से ऐसा कौन सा डिजिट है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपको अगेन वही डिजिट मिले. सो इट इज पॉसिबल when B is 0 or B is 5, because 3 into 0 we get 0 and 3 into 5 we get 15. So again 5 we will get. So let B is 5. First we suppose that B is 5. So in that case 3 5s are 15. So 15, so 5 will comes here and carry comes 1 here. Okay. Then 3 into A plus 1. नेक्स्ट केस में क्या करेंगे हम 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय A और जो कैरी होगा उसको ऐड करेंगे. दैट्स वाई वी हैव रिटन इन दिस वे that 3 into a plus 1 we get CA. But this is not possible for any value of a, because here if you put 3 into a, then a will not come because here C also given. That's why this is not possible. So value of B should not be equal to 5. So second value of B we have to choose here, because here we are getting the 2-digit number, okay, CA, and if you are multiplying 3 with A and adding 1, then you are not getting CA. That's why it is not possible for any value of A. Now we take it second case. In second case B must be 0. So if B is 0, then in that case there will be no carry forward for the next step. So we obtain 3 into A as CA, okay. That's why B equal 5 is not possible. Hence B is 0. Now in one's digit 3 into A should be A. So again A आपको किस तरह से चूज करना है कि उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, तो अगेन यू विल गेट A. So again it has two case, either 0 or 5. But when we choose 0, अगर आप 0 चूज करते हैं तो 3 into 0 we get 0, पर आपको वहाँ डिजिट C भी फाइंड करना है. सो अगेन 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. वहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? 2 डिजिट्स. ओके, सो हियर वी चूज 5. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज 3 into 0 we will not get 2-digit number, we get 0 only, and we want their CA. CA that means 2-digit number. That's why A must not be 0. A must be 5. So our puzzle is solved in this way. The value of B is 0 and value of A is 5. So 3 into 0 we get 0 and 3 into 5 we get 15. So here what you are observing, that here A and here also A and here B, here also B. That means value also should be same and it is matched with the question. Hence our puzzle get solved. So the value of A must be 5 only and the value of B must be 0. Okay. So in this way you have to find the values of the letter. So you have this type of question in this exercise. Now let's see exercise 16.2. Okay, now 16.2 based on the divisibility rules which we already discussed in the beginning. So let's see its question number first. Its first question is, if 2, 1, y 5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, then what is the value of y? अब क्या गिवन है आपको कि दिस कंप्लीट नंबर इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, ये 9 का मल्टीपल है. देन y is a digit where y is the digit, any digit that whose value we have to find. So let's see, if a number is multiple of 9, अब हमें पता है कि कोई नंबर किसी का मल्टीपल हो, it means the sum of its digit will be divisible by 9. then उनका एडिशन करने पर जो भी सम आता है that will be divisible by 9, that we see in the divisibility rule. That's why sum of the digit of 2, 1, y 5, that means 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, that is 8 plus y. So 8 plus y should be multiple of 9. तो ये 8 plus y भी क्या होगा? 9 का multiple होगा. So when it is possible, this is possible when 8 plus y is any of this number. Any of this number, that means it is equal to the 0, 9, 18, 27 and so on. What are these? These are the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27 and so on. Since y is a single digit number, अब y क्या है? एक single digit number है. Therefore this sum can be 9 only. तो उन दोनों डिजिट का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 9 होना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल? व्हेन इन 8 यू ऐड 1. अगर 8 में हम 1 ऐड करते हैं देन वी गेट 9 and 9 is divisible by 9 and 9 is multiple of 9 also. That's why y should be only 1. Okay. So the possible value of y is 1. So in this way we can find the value of y. Let's see its one more. Its second one is also same as previous question. Okay. Now let's see its third. Here given if 2 4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, then what is the value of x? Now this is related with the 3 multiple. ठीक है, अब आपको कहा है कि गिवन नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल है, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो वी नो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल, इफ द सम ऑफ द डिजिट, अगर डिजिट के सम करने पर जो नंबर आता है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, अगर वो 3 से डिविजिबल हो इट मीन्स द कंप्लीट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. सो सेम वी अप्लाई हियर. Here 2 4x, that means 24x is a multiple of 3. Then the sum of its digit is also multiple of 3. Now we take its sum. So sum of the digit is 2 plus 4 plus x. That means 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. अब 6 plus x क्या है? 3 का multiple है. It means this is possible only when 6 plus x equal 0, 3, 6, 9 and so on. अगर ये नंबर आते हैं after adding 6 plus x, then the given number is multiple of 3 because this 3, 6, 9 these are all multiples of 3. Since x is a single digit number, अब x क्या है? एक single digit number है. That's why the sum of the digits can be, अब sum of the digits it may be possible as 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. ठीक है, मतलब sum उनका क्या आना चाहिए? It may be 6. Why 6? Because if we put 0 then 6 plus 0 we get 6. If we put 3 then 6 plus 3 we get 9. If we put 6 then 6 plus 6 it is 12. So it can be either 6, 9, 12 or 15. Thus the possible values of x is 0, 3, 6 or 9. That means in place of x we can put this type of value. So when we put x equal 0 then we get 6. When we put x equal 3 then we get 9. So in this way we are getting the multiples of 3. So the possible values of x is 0, 3, 6 or 9. So in this way we can find the values of the given digit. So this type of sums are related in this exercise. So that's all for today's video. Your 16th chapter get over and our course also get finished. So do practice of all the sums. Okay. Now take care and bye bye.